Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to get TikTok teenage filter. So in order to do that, we just need to head over to TikTok. There's actually two methods in which you can do that. So let's tune in and let's go right ahead. So the first thing you can do is to click this plus icon on the bottom. Just click that. And in here you can see the FX button, which is right here. Just click on that. And you can see the search icon, just click that and you can search here teenage look. As you can see, here it is. Just click this icon right here of the camera, and as you can see, the filter is now in here. So that's the first thing that you can do. You can try to record yourself. There's that. So the second method is, let's head over again to our home page, and you can see here the search icon. Just click that and you just need to search teenage look. So once you're in there, you can see the filter that we used earlier. You just need to click that again, and also you can see a lot of videos that are using that specific filter because it is quite a trend right now. So just click on that filter again and you can see this here. Just click this use this effect, and as you can see right now, it is now active. On the upper corner of the video, we can see the filtered one, and the bottom corner we can see the unfiltered one. So if you want, you can start recording, and once you're done with anything, you just need to click the check, click on next, and you can now post it. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.